Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the easy way to zoom your object. Basically, when we want to zoom to the object, we need to wheel the middle the mouse. This one we need to deal, and that's take a lot of time. Like this, we need to wheel first. So the easy way is you just need to click the object. You can see I click the object and tap the numpad period. The numpad period. You can see here. I tap the numpad period. The numpad period is on the this one. Is this numpad? Numpad on the your keyboard. You just click this one. Tap this one. Del. It's del, but it's numpad period. So hope this video help you to make your easy when using Blender. Thanks for watching.